project, you'll need unfinished wooden shapes, paint and paint brushes, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, small character figurines, scissors. Now let's begin. So first you want to start off with the wooden shape and open the prongs to remove that insert. So I'm going to start off with the red paint using even brush strokes all over, and I'm going to get a lot of paint on the brush and just go all over it using the even brush strokes. And to make it even easier, I'm not going to talk your head off. I'm just going to let you guys watch and learn. Voila, magic. The whole thing is now painted. Now, if you see some spaces that may need a touch of paint, then don't hesitate to do so. Just go over it because you don't want it to look uneven in some spaces. So just give it another coat if needed. Now, we'll let this sit aside and the Buzz Lightyear thing begins. So I'm starting with some blue acrylic craft paint along the bottom. This craft paint actually came from Dollar General, and if you're ever inside of Dollar General, please check out some of their selections. Their colors are beautiful. Now I started at the bottom on this particular one because I wanted it to be evenly coated and completely filled in. So that's why I'm doing it really precisely. But not only that, this one is going to be multicolored. And this is what it looks like, all evenly coated and painted at the bottom. Now moving along. I'm going to continue to use the blue paint to continue to finish out the sections that will be blue because this one is multicolored. And now blue is all done. And now I'm using the apple barrel parakeet green to finish up the sections that were left unpainted. For this part, I'm using transparent cardstock as an image protectant. I've already cut my circle using the insert that came inside. These are the images that I will be using to place inside of the shapes, and as you can see, it fits perfect. So I'm going to use the scissors and just cut that out, and there they are. So I'm starting with Elmo. It's already aligned with the cardstock. I'm just going to place it in perfectly, making sure it fits, and close the prongs on the back to make sure it stays in really snug and securely. Disclaimer, please be careful with the hot glue gun. If under 13, please have an adult supervise. Now you'll use a little hot glue to place Elmo on top of the shape. And here I'm just adjusting the image so it'll be centered. And because it looks plain, I'm using bling, of course. So I'm not going to talk through this part. I'm just going to fast forward through, but watch how I lay in place. And now I'm all done. Alright, so let's get back to Buzz, you guys. Now the same steps will be followed to place the image using the image protectant. Now this is what you should have. Now we're going to place Buzz on top, centering him right in the middle. Now using a little hot glue, we're going to place Woody, centering him right in the middle as well. I just couldn't leave it plain, so I used 2 red bling pieces to place on the sides. And now I'm all done. Thank you for watching.